Hey, I'll check here with no time to be said. Hey, it's time for another Friday episode of How To in Thailand. So today's episode is about how to keep cool in Thailand. This is a very important thing to attempt to try to do in Thailand, because Thailand is definitely very hot. In the summertime, the average temperature is over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Especially by the ocean, you have a really nice cool breeze and you don't feel it as much, but it's still very hot and the sun can be brutal in Thailand. Besides the sun, it's extremely humid, so we have to try to keep ourselves fresh, along with keeping hydrated and not getting sun poisoning. There's a few things that you can do. First off, Thai people, you won't see them on the beaches that much during the day. If you do, they'll be underneath the sunshade. But they're like vampires. They come out at nighttime. And when you do see them during the day, they're wearing thick coats at 100 degrees or 40 degrees Celsius. And the only reason why you see them wearing these thick coats, because most of the time they don't want to get dark. So I don't know how they do it, but I have learned to wear long sleeve shirts and cover my face when I'm outside. You know, if you're fishing or bicycling or doing outdoor activities, it's good to cover yourself up. I see a lot of people running around in little bikini shorts and stuff.
I wear Speedos. When I'm at the beach, you see me wear my Speedos. I am feeling fresh like I'm an act for Mentos. I wear Speedos when I'm doing
hey, good for them if they're that confident in themselves. That's awesome. But tomorrow, when you wake up and you look like a lobster,
put a little of this aloe on your back, okay? Should make you feel better.
you might not have a good day the next day. So wear sunscreen. Try not to stay out in the sun too long. There is a few essentials that you can pick up on your initial supplies at 7-Eleven, and that is they sell these little vitamin C packs here, but it's good to keep hydrated. If you're not a big fan of drinking a lot of water, then you can purchase these things, and at least these will help you keep hydrated a little better. Also in Thailand is very cool. They sell these things in the freezer section, and they're little cool towel packs, and it's like getting a free towel. But they have different sizes. They have smaller ones and big ones, but you just take this and it smells good too. And you can wipe your face off with it, and have a little towel to wipe your face off at lunch instead of using the little pieces of toilet paper that get little pieces of paper all over your face. So anyway, this is a must in Thailand. They're all over 7-Eleven. Baby powder too. They sell a lot of baby powder. Thai people like to wear baby powder to keep from perspiring, to keep them dry. And I used to make fun of Paige all the time for running around the house looking like Casper. But I've learned that having it in areas that are usually moist, it works really good. However, I don't have it all over my face like Thai people. But it's a must when bicycling. It works really, really, really well. By popular belief, beer is not a hydrant. It's actually the opposite. As good as beer tastes in the heat of Thailand, the alcohol actually dehydrates you. So if you could drink plenty of water with your beer, most likely you won't wake up with a hangover. Typically, I will drink a bottle of water before I go to bed, but that'll cause me to use the bathroom a couple more times in the middle of the night, but at least I don't wake up with a hangover. So you'll notice in Thailand, people like to walk on the shady side of the street. You'll see Thai people walking around with umbrellas. Don't worry, it's not gonna rain. It just keeps them out of the sun. If you're sitting in the shade, like right now, it's very comfortable. But if you're in the sun, it's like a microwave. It's crazy, crazy hot. So try to stay on the shady side of the street and find you a shelter. And most restaurants, bars, places of businesses have fans. So sit by the fan, keep cool. Don't ruin your trip or time here in Thailand with a massive sunburn or a major dehydration, and you definitely don't want to end up in the hospital. So anyway, those are some things that I wanted to share to try to keep cool in Thailand. I want you guys to have an awesome trip here, and man, this thing smells so good. Anyway, guys, thanks for listening to me blah blah blah. A hint on next Friday is going to be how to get your phone activated when coming into Thailand with a SIM card. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you like it, click like. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys next Friday on How To in Thailand. Bye.